If your PlayStation 5 is stuck on the loading screen, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. Step 1. Restart the console. Turn off your PlayStation 5 completely by holding the power button until you hear a second beep. Wait a few moments, then turn it back on. This can often resolve temporary glitches. Step 2. Check for system updates. Navigate to the Settings menu and select System Software. Choose System Software Update in Settings to check if there are any available updates. Installing the latest updates can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 3. Rebuild database. Start your PS5 in safe mode by holding the power button until you hear 2 beeps. Connect your controller via USB and select the Rebuild database option. This process can help fix corrupted data that may be causing the loading issue. Step 4. Clear cache. In safe mode, select the Clear Cache and Rebuild database option. This will clear temporary files and may help improve system performance, potentially resolving the loading screen issue. Step 5. Factory reset. If the previous steps do not work, consider performing a factory reset. In safe mode, select Reset PS5. Be aware that this will erase old data, so ensure you have backups of your important files before proceeding. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and potentially fix the loading screen issue on your PlayStation 5. If problems persist, consider reaching out to PlayStation support for further assistance.